Welcome to Grŵp Llanrheadr Menai, and thank you for choosing to study for your higher education qualification with us. Learner Services can help you with many aspects of student life, including student finance, bursaries, student union and accessing careers guidance. One of the most important considerations when becoming a student is how you will support yourself financially. So firstly, if you have not already applied to Student Finance Wales for financial support, you should do this now. If you don't already have a full honours degree, financial support is available through Student Finance Wales for both full-time and part-time students. Both full and part-time packages include a non-means tested tuition fee loan to cover your fees and a means tested support towards your living costs in the form of a non-repayable Welsh Government Learning Grant and optional maintenance loan. In addition, you may also be entitled to further non-repayable grants such as the Parents' Learning Allowance, Adult Dependence Grant, Childcare Grant or the Disabled Students Allowance, the DSA. More information on funding and eligibility can be found on www.studentfinancewales.co.uk. Grŵp Llanrheadr Menai has a bursary scheme which offers additional non-repayable grants to eligible students. These include a progression bursary of £1,000 payable in the first year of study to all Level 3 students progressing directly from a full-time Level 3 programme with us onto a full-time HE course within the group. A HE Welsh language bursary of £300 is paid to students on eligible courses engaging substantially through the medium of Welsh. A £300 bursary is provided to full-time HE students who live in specific postcode areas. Looked after children and care leavers also receive an additional £300 bursary. With the exception of the Welsh language bursary, which is application based, these bursaries are paid automatically to eligible students. This normally takes place in semester 2 or 3. Grŵp Llanrheadr Menai operates a hardship fund for full and part-time students who may experience unforeseen financial difficulties during their studies. Please contact Learner Services or the welfare team at your campus for advice should you experience these difficulties. Ask your tutor for further details. Grŵp Llanrheadr Menai has an award-winning and active student union and we'd love you to get involved. You could consider running for class rep or even HE Student Union President. Events are held throughout the academic year on a range of themes, so look out for opportunities to join in at your campus. In addition to meeting industry professionals during the course of your studies, higher education students are offered the opportunity to attend graduate fairs each year to find out more about postgraduate study and graduate employment opportunities. Prospects is the leading higher education careers service, offering a wealth of information on postgraduate study, graduate job opportunities, internships and career planning. For more information on the services Prospects can provide, please visit www.prospects.ac.uk.